Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Analytics. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type analytics.google.com. Here, a new interface will open. Then you have to click on Start Measuring. Here you have to give your account name. After that, you have to click on Next. Then here you have to give your property name. I am giving it. After that, you have to select time zone and currency and click on Next. After that, you have to give your business information. That is, if your business is small, medium, large, or very large. I am giving medium. Then how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? And then you have to check this all and then click on Create. And here you have to click on I also accept data processing terms as required to the GDPR, and I accept. Then your account has been created and click on Save. In the left option you will see the home button. In the home button you will see how to collect your data for website or app, from web or Android app or iOS app. Then in the reports option you will see the visit of user, new user, average engagement time, total revenue, and user in last 30 minutes, and also top countries user. And in the explore button, here you will see some exploration like free from, funnel exploration, path exploration, and a blank option. In the advertising option you will see advertising snapshot. And in the configure button you will see that an event, conversation, audience, custom definition, debug view. Also in the left bottom you will see an admin button. Here you can create account or account access management and filter or trash can. Also from your property you can set up assistant, property setting, property access management, data streams, data setting, data import, report, identify, and attributions. So that's all for Google Analytics. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.